The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Paul Akers, put on your builder's hat because this Thursday at 10 a.m. Central Time, I'm going to be speaking at the virtual Bosch USA Conference. I asked if I could have my people, all of you, join this conference for no charge. And you know what Bosch said? No problem, Paul. So I'm making this quick video to let you know that if you want to register, the information is down below in the description. Register and you can join Central Time from 10 to 12:30. I'm going to be the last of 3 keynote speakers starting at about 11:30. And as a special guest, we have Josh Springer, my good friend and 2-second lean maniac. He's going to be the opening comedian act to my 2-second lean talk. Imagine that. We've never had a comedian, a lean comedian, open a virtual series before. So this is new ground. And the title of my talk is To Imitate or to Innovate. And we're going to be innovating from the very get-go with our lean comedian, Josh Springer. So I'll see you there. Information below. This Thursday, July 29th, 10 a.m. to 12:30. We're going to have a great time. See you soon. Hey everyone, one more thing. Josh Springer is actually the inventor of the bottoms-up beer filling system. It is an amazing product. He's an amazing innovator, an amazing lean thinker, and a crazy 2-second lean maniac. So you're gonna love hearing from Josh at the beginning of my talk, which starts at about 11:30 to 12:30. We'll see you soon.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second lean play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second lean play app at PaulAkers.net.